Hello everyone, today I have a quick video for you, and this is a new project I've started, and this is called Sew for the Soul book, and it's a new project that Anne Brooke has put out. As some of you may know, she did a fabric roll over the last couple of months, and it was a wonderful project to work on, and now she's started doing a book. And this is what I've done so far. It's slightly different to what her tutorial shows us, but that's okay because she said just work the way you like to work anyway. And the book is actually made out of several pieces of wadding, and I have cut my book size is actually 6.5 inches by 4 3/4 inches, and I think the one she made is 6 by 6 inches. Also, she doubled her pages, whereas mine are just sewn in singularly, as you can see there, because that's just the way I like to do it. But it will work out the same at the end, I'm sure. And also, we've sewn them together with blanket stitch, and she shows you how to do that, whereas I would normally sew my pages in right at the end of a book. But I thought if I have an issue, you know, I can actually take these pages apart. See, there's the stitching there. If I find that I can't work well with the pages sewn together, then I'll just take them apart and do them individually and then sew them all in at the end. It's up to us. This is the spine that will eventually go on, and the front and back cover. She does say the front cover's quite large, because she's going to sort of pinch that like that, so that when it's made it has that kind of effect like that, but that's down the track anyway. So the first page of the book is actually just straight stitching, different ways to do straight stitching, and I'm gathering that each page will be concentrating on a different stitch, like well, I don't know. But the first page is totally straight stitching, and so this is what I've done so far. And I'm really happy with it. What we had to do was choose one colour that would be seen throughout the book, and that colour for me is going to be pink. Now you can use other colours with it, but pink is sort of got to play a role in every page that you do. So this is my straight stitching page, and I've used 3 different fabrics on this. This one on the edge here is actually part of a pillowcase, and the one next to it here and this one over here it's another pillowcase, but that's actually the backing fabric from my daughter's quilts when they lived at home. They both had a quilt on their bed, and this was the reverse side of it. The quilts, of course, got very worn. No, the quilts, I've still got the quilts. These are the pillowcases, and they got worn, of course, more than the quilts. So I've used that fabric there, and then this lovely blue fabric is from some linen fabric that Gail, who is father of 4, sent to me. I have put a doily here and done some straight stitching in places on that doily. I have 3 pieces of lace. I have this lovely blue piece here, then I have this lovely piece here, and one across here, and they're all from Rena, who is Rena Vanderveen. She sent me some lovely things in blue, so I've put those laces to good use in this book here. And I've done this little seed stitching. I haven't done that before, so that was a nice something nice. I love the feel of it because it's all quilted with all the stitching. It's just really nice, and some little crosses up here, and it's just all straight stitch. Even the cross stitch is straight stitch. So, and some little starry flower things. This one here, I'm not 100% sure whether I'll leave that there, that stitching in the center. I just felt it needed something in the center, but it's easy enough to remove if I don't keep it in there. So, and what happens is that's the first page, and that's the back of it. And as I said, I've stitched mine on singularly, which is the way I do my pages like this anyway. And then this will be the second page, so that these get joined together, which is how I do it. I usually sandwich some lace and things like that in the middle. And that's how Anne is joining hers together too. So it's always interesting to try different ways of doing things. That's why I am trying it all joined together to start with, because, you know, it's good to learn things, isn't it? Even if it's not our normal way of doing things, it's still good to give things a try. So I think that is all I can show you on this project so far. I will put a link to Anne's tutorial, the start of this new project, in the description box below if you're interested in following along. I'm sorry for the lack of videos right at this moment. I have a very sick family member and I'm rarely at home. I had a day at home yesterday and I got this done yesterday and I really needed it. So once again, a perfect project for this particular time in my life. So thank you for that, Anne, if you're watching this video, and thank you so much everybody for watching. And if I can, I'll just show you a picture of where I hung the last project, the Sew for the Soul roll on my wall. So take care everybody. Bye. So that's behind my door as I come in, and this is the little space between the wardrobe area and the door area, and I've just hung my roll there, and I think it just fits perfectly. And that's all the way down and all the way up, and I really do like the way it looks. Lovely project to work on, and I'm sure the book will be just as lovely to work on.